Приветствую вас, мастера. Вот сегодня
Hi everyone, today we have such locks, Bricard.
к сожалению, они
Unfortunately, they have been already tried to be opened with an impression tin foil tool
открываться.
unsuccessfully, and after that they open badly even with their own key.
Не очень работает, скажем так. Ну, инструментом удалось.
But the decoder did it.
В чем особенность этих
What
замков? Они
is special about these locks? They are identical to the Chisa RS3,
видоизмененные.
but they have a modified profile. They are mirrored. Chisa does not fit here, everything else is the same. How do we open? For the side pins, these are the side pins, make sure the handle is up. And that's how we do it. For the top pins, take the tension off and do it like this. Now let's try. We are not in a hurry. Be sure to insert the tool all the way. When the rotor itself, or the plug, as it is called, has turned a little, you can set the top pins. But you still have to correct the bottom positions, the side ones also. Here on the top, here on the sides. It may happen that it is overpressed. In that case, we use this screw to return. Until the characteristic click. Upper pins, just hold the tool, no need to press. Here you see this lock has been tried to be opened with an impression tool with foil. It goes very hard, but goes. Here you can even see that it wedges. Here it is clear that it is damaged. So the foil impression tool doesn't work for these locks. Next lock. No attempt was made to open it with an impression tool, but it is old lock. Now we are opening to the right side. Okay, top pins. We make it easier. We practically do not apply tension. Just hold the tool. You can also make movements in this way. Correct the side ones necessarily. Done, unlocked. And now I'll show you that all the pins are there. Here is the price of the tool you can find on our website. The link is under this video.